Welcome to Retro Rewind, the show where we take a quick trip back through pop culture history. From classic toys and kids' movies to TV shows, music, and moments from the 1970s through the 2000s. If the original James Pond was an experiment, then Robocod was that experiment gone brilliantly, joyfully out of control. It took the foundation of a solid platformer and cranked every dial straight into the absurd. This time, our aquatic hero arrived with his greatest weapon, a robotic suit that allowed his body to stretch like elastic across the entire screen. Suddenly, gameplay was transformed. You weren't just jumping, you were latching onto distant platforms, snatching far-off enemies, and uncovering secrets from previously impossible distances. The levels themselves were sprawling, almost overwhelming playgrounds of invention, packed with bizarre enemies, hidden warp zones, and a wonderfully dry British sense of humour. The game never stopped surprising you. It rewarded curiosity and playful tinkering just as much as it did raw platforming skill. Robocod was proudly weird, wildly inventive, and packed with a sense of anarchic fun. It wasn't just a follow-up, it was a true evolution. A sequel that confidently outgrew its predecessor in scale, creativity, and sheer, unadulterated personality. And that wraps up this episode of Retro Rewind. If this brought back some memories, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who loves a bit of nostalgia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Rewind.